Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. Pay them a $20 styling fee. They'll curate a box of 5 items, send that to you free of shipping both ways. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. That $20 gets reimbursed to you if you do keep anything. If you don't keep anything, you're out that $20. I was offered the Style Pass. The Style Pass is $49 a year. You can get unlimited fixes, again, shipping free both ways, and that $49 still gets applied. So I was renewed back in July, and I used that $49 up right away. And you can use it either through Stitch Fix, and they also have the Freestyle app where you purchase things on your own. If you purchase it on your own, you have to pay for the item up front, but they do have a reasonable return policy of 30 days. And if in a Stitch Fix, when you get a box, you're only paying that $20 fee, and then you decide to keep what you want, and again, send back what you don't. You only pay for the items you keep. So I gave a list of items that I wanted. You do get a preview. I think everybody gets a preview now. And I chose one item to keep in my preview and have my stylist pick out 4 items. The item I kept is a pair of pajamas, which I'll discuss at the end. So my stylist picked out some items for me. The first thing, and by the way, my stylist was Shannon, and she did the best she could. Let's just put it that way. The first top is from Daniel Rain. It's the Freya Floral Button Front Blouse. Okay, we got issues with this. In off-white, extra small, 64. There are no buttons on this whatsoever. I don't know why they're calling it the Freya Button Front Blouse, but there's no buttons. It does have a split neck. It has the eyelet detail up here. It has some pleating, and yeah, I mean, it's cute. It's Daniel Rain. Daniel Rain is known to be pricey, $64. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like threads hanging right here, and there's like another one down here below. I might have tucked it in. So I'm a little bit concerned about the quality of this blouse. This is 100% polyester blouse, and no, I like Daniel Rain. Yes, I could cut the string off, but I don't love this enough, okay? She also sent along these tribal pants. These are the Audrey button-flied wide leg pant in dark pink. Oh, and the blouse is an extra small, and the pants are a 0. So for those of you who don't know, I am 5'2". I'm very petite, and typically I don't wear petite. Sometimes I have to, sometimes I don't. And these are, nothing in this box is a petite size. Just let you know, they're just regular extra small 0s. So the bottoms are the Audrey button fly wide leg pant, dark pink, $68, which is not a bad price for a pair of pants. They are a teeny bit snug. You can see this pocket poking out just ever so slightly. Strangely enough, this one doesn't poke out, so I don't know, maybe my one hip on one side is bigger than the other. I don't know. It has the button fly closure here. It comes down to my ankle. Again, I'm a petite, I'm 5'2". They're comfortable. They're 85% cotton, 12% spandex, and what is it, 3%, 12% polyester, 3% spandex. So they're very comfortable, nice, comfortable pair of pants, but honestly, I really don't wear colored pants that much. I have like a pair of hot pink already, and like a pair of like a turquoise tealish, and I just don't feel confident in wearing them. So I'm not gonna add any more colored, like really bright colored pants. I might add like a really light colored pant to my collection, but not a bright color. So let me stand back so you can see. I just paired it with my neutral sandals just to give you an idea. All right, let's see where it hits on me, right at my ankle. And now this is going back, so give me a minute and I'll pop on the next pieces for you. Up next is this Liverpool blouse. It's the Elisa satin button down in navy, size extra small, $79. I thought for sure that this was polyester, like a polyester satin, but when I looked at the label, it says 100% viscose. So that kind of surprised me. It is a very nice, soft satin feel. It's not scratchy at all. I think the armholes are okay. It felt, originally when I put it on, I thought it was like too big and would show down here, but they seem okay. It is a little bit low cut on me because, again, I'm petite. It's a nice blouse, but you know what? It's not sparking joy, and I feel confident. I think I can return this without being sad. So it's a nice blouse, but I don't think I need to add this to my wardrobe. With it, I have paired the Mason & Bell Luana denim midi skirt in indigo, size 0, $59. Not a bad price. You know, I do have a white sanctuary skirt, denim skirt like this that I got from them from Sheree Style. But honestly, I mean, and that one was, I think, a little bit better fitting on me. I just feel there's too much fabric down here for my petite frame. Like, it should be in like this. Because with all this extra fabric right here, I feel this kind of looks a little bit frumpy. Like, if it had like this, I think it would look better. But it kind of like sticks out. Like, there's, I don't know, I just feel it kind of overwhelms my frame. So this is a no. The skirt is by Mason & Bell, and it's 99% cotton, 1% spandex. There was a little label on it saying wash before wearing because color may transfer. Now, I know that happens in a lot of things, but I've had bad experience with things that say that, because even after washing them, I noticed the dye transferring. And there was times where I had a pair of jeans from White House Black Market. They're the ones that were really dark wash dyed. I washed those so many times, did a vinegar rinse. I did everything you could imagine, and no matter what, I would leave blue all over my hands. So I'm hesitant when anything warns me of that, which might indicate to me that they probably used some cheap dye. And the smell of this skirt tells me they did use cheap dye. So the skirt is definitely going back. Again, nothing that I'm gonna be sad about. Plus I have 9 million denim skirts already. Not a long one like this, but I do have plenty of blue denim skirts. So again, this is a no. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the pajamas that I picked for my preview. Okay, this is quite interesting. These are the pajamas supposedly I picked for my preview. These are the Sea & Stars Lauren Sleep & Lounge woven black and then size extra small for $60. I picked a pair, and it's showing in my checkout, a pair of solid black pajamas with white piping. As you can see, these are not solid black. These are 55% cotton, 45% rayon. I love the fabric on this. It is not knit. It's like material, I guess woven is what it is. It's woven. It's not a knit. And it's like almost has like a cooling effect. So I do love the material on this. Typically, I like to size up in my pajamas. She sent these in an extra small, and I had a feeling that was the way it is because that's what my preferences are set for. They don't give you a specific size for pajamas. And I couldn't when I was checking, you know, I can now obviously exchange them for a different size if I wanted to. But when I was going to, you know, look to swap it out for a size small when I was doing the preview, it didn't allow me to. So I'm glad I didn't swap it out though, because as you can see, the top is quite long. I mean, I wouldn't want the sleeves any longer than this. They're certainly long enough, and I feel pretty comfortable in these pajamas. I love the material of these pajamas. I love a lot of things about these pajamas. What I don't love is the print. I'm just not a fan. It's like black and white glen plaid with like this mustardy gold piping, and I just don't like it, you know? And they're $60. So I must like the pajamas that I'm wearing and be excited to wear them to bed, and I'm not excited about these. So these are gonna go back as well. And that was my fix. Pretty disappointing. So I like the variety that Shannon sent, but none of these items are afloat in my boat. And I think part of the reason is I just have a lot of stuff, you know? I mean, when I started with Stitch Fix back in 2018, I had nothing in my wardrobe. I had lost a ton of weight and went down probably 4 to 5 sizes, okay? Even my old clothes, my skinny clothes, released 2 sizes too big. So I had to get everything new in my wardrobe. So they were that blouse, the Daily Rain blouse, 2018 would have snatched that up. But then the pandemic hit and it became 2020, and I'm working from home and I really don't need blouses per se. I only pick and choose the ones that I really like, my heart throbs for. I need more, well, I don't need anything right now, but I needed from 2020 to probably 2021, 2022, I needed more casual items to be comfortable at home, casual put together items, not business casual. And I think I have a big enough wardrobe now that I really don't need to add anything unless something really calls my name. And unfortunately, none of this did. And yeah, that's it. I appreciate everybody's support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up, and take care until next time.